Good morning, everybody. Well, it's morning here. Is it morning there? Jumping jacks. Oh my god. Hello. What? This is probably take number 20. Hi everybody, it's Lauren and Larry, and this is our Weber Weekly Update. Hey guys, it's Lauren Weber, and this is my Weber Weekly Update. If you've been tuning in, you have heard a lot about my home buying journey, but today I wanted to shift gears and talk about listings. We just released our newest listing yesterday. It went live on the public market and it's looking really good. A lot of things that people don't see is all the behind the scenes work that goes into getting homes prepared. Good morning. Today we start our renovations. Today the flooring's gonna go in. We're putting hardwood up here, and then painting's gonna start tomorrow. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. We're also gonna get staging. Look at this blank canvas, it's gonna be so fun. And I've just been having so much fun helping our clients prepare their house that I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys along a little bit behind the scenes and share about that journey. But before I do, and before we dive into that, I did wanna share about this really amazing program called Compass Concierge. If some of you know or don't know, I moved brokerages just like a few months ago. And one of the reasons why I did so, and one of the main benefits of me being there, is this amazing program called Compass Concierge. All right, so let's get to it. What is that? Concierge will lend my clients, they'll front the costs of these repairs that go into the house to prepare it to go to market. So it'll cover like painting, flooring, staging, even moving expenses, storage rooms, and at no fees, no interest rates, and the client will just pay concierge or Compass back at the end of closing. Now, everyone that I tell this to, they're like, what's the catch? Why would they do this? Are you sure there's no fees? I'm like, yes, Compass Concierge is amazing. And next week, I'll share a little bit more about the actual repairs that we've done and how we're preparing this week's listing to go on the market next week. So that's all I got for this week. Thanks so much for tuning in. I hope you have a great week. See you next time. Bye.